That's it, mga kalindog. Ayan. Because I'm here, I'm not in the Philippines, so that's why I watch only in YouTube. So ayan, congratulations for my 17th president in the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos. Ayan guys, I'm happy. I hope ayan, Philippines will be rise again like before, like Senior Ferdinand Marcos. Diba? Oh my God, I'm so happy lang. I'm very, very excited. Ayan. So guys, ayan. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. Ayan guys, so let's start. Let's watch our 17th president in the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos. I show you a little bit. It's not so clear because I watch in our laptop, but it's okay. At least I saw him a proclamation. Okay, so ayan guys, let's go. Come on.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
The Majority Leader of the Senate is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. On the part of the Senate, pursuant to the adopted resolution of both houses, number 1, I have the honor to move for the proclamation of the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines and the duly elected Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. It was in a blank. It was blank, Mr. President. I wanted to make sure that one was not ahead of the other. So I was worried about that blank.
I have it.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. On the part of the Senate, I proclaim Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. as the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines. And Sara Zimmerman Duterte as the duly elected Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Imelda is there, my madam.
The Majority Leader of the House of Representatives is recognized.
My
Mr.
idol,
Speaker,
Imelda.
on the part of the House of Representatives and pursuant to the adopted resolution of both houses, number 1, I have the honor to move for the proclamation of Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos as the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines and Sara Zimmerman Duterte as the duly elected Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Oh my God! Congratulations, BBM.
The chair hears none. On the part of the House of Representatives, I proclaim Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. as the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines and Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio as the duly elected Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Yes. Marcos is back.
We shall now proceed to the approval of the...
Oh my God, guys, I'm eating my lunch. You see fish. But I'm watching, of course, my new president in the Philippines. I am Bongbong Marcos. Congratulations. He proclaimed already our 17th president in the Philippines. Mabuhay, Philippines. Ayan, so happy. So let's eat.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. On the part of the House of Representatives, the joint public session is suspended.
Yan guys, Bongbong will come. Oh my God, the official proclamation. Our new 17th president in the Philippines. There we go. Oh my God. And Imelda, my idol, is there. Guys, lalabas na si BBM. Oh my God, I'm so excited. BBM will come. Ayan, he's getting ready, guys. Getting ready. So there we go. He's going. Ayan. Ating new president. My new president. O, diba? Akin lang. It's mine. Oh my God. My handsome boy, BBM.
Si President-elect Bongbong Marcos sa mismong plenaryo na ito'y pinangunahan po ng Senate Majority Leader Mig Subiri. Sinalubong po siya ng masigabong palakpakan mula sa mga mambabatas at guest sa mismong plenaryo.
BBM! There we go. Oh my God!
Kalinsabay ng mga pagpalakpak ay ang masiga o yung chant.
O diba? Congratulations! Amy, Irene, and our new First Lady. At ang ating idol, Madam. O, diba? Imelda Marcos. O, diba? So excited. Oh my God! Idol, Madam Imelda. Diba? BBM. Guys, o diba? I'm very happy we have new elected my idol Marcos is back. So ayan guys, thank you for watching.